RealTech is about the application of technology into property and real estate. And over the past 12 months alone, there's been more than $15 billion of investment in this sector. And RealTech is widely expected to have enormous growth over the next 5 years as all buildings become smarter, more connected, and ultimately digital. I'm Deb Noller, I'm the CEO of Switch Automation. We build technology for smart buildings. What this means is that we help building owners and operators to connect the systems and the devices and the sensors in their buildings. We're bringing siloed data into a single pane of glass. We're helping real estate teams to manage their buildings better, allowing them real-time metrics into the performance of those buildings. We're helping them to mitigate risks. We're helping them to manage their customer experience. But ultimately, what we're really interested in is how we help them save money, time, and resources. We're really excited to work with PGIM Real Estate because they're thinking about how they adopt technology to manage their assets better. But ultimately what they're really interested in is how do they use these technologies and the data coming from these technologies to manage their customer relationships.
One Bureau Lane is a multi-temperature controlled ramp-up food storage and distribution centre in the western part of Singapore. It is located in a food zone and tenants include a major cold chain logistics provider, a major supermarket chain, and fresh produce suppliers among others. A key challenge in such a facility is maintaining the right level of temperature and humidity to meet the agreed service levels to tenants and ensure that the integrity of food products is not compromised. With food safety being of paramount concern, the challenge in such a facility is to put in place a robust monitoring and maintenance regime of critical mechanical and electrical systems and to reduce the possibility of human error. If these controls are not in place, reactive management means asset owners will be constantly on the back foot. To meet these challenges, PGIM Real Estate is studying how to embed cost-effective technology within the current infrastructure to highlight problem areas and allow the on-site facilities management team to take preemptive steps to rectify the issues.
This facility is 5 levels of cold storage. The facility has a mission-critical ammonia-based refrigeration system that has a trip alarm that's based in the plant room. And one of the big issues for our client is they have very little off-site capability for monitoring that system. The client's also interested in installing temperature probes throughout their chiller and freezer zones, and they'd like to see door alarms and also sub-metering across each tenancy, so each tenant has real-time consumption metrics around their electricity use. This will all be connected to the Switch platform, and in real time we'll be able to collect data from each of those devices, assemble that into our platform and provide a range of tools over the top, including analytics and dashboards. What this will give PGIM Real Estate is real-time visibility into each tenancy and how that's going. They'll also have a range of reports and tools and information that they'll be able to share with their customer, and ultimately it will benefit the customer-client relationship. So the adoption of RealTech into real estate globally is accelerating. There's going to be a lot of winners and a lot of losers. Programs like the RealTechX program, combined with the corporate partnerships like PGIM Real Estate, and bringing these programs to companies that are emerging and in a growth mode like Switch Automation are incredibly important for our ecosystem. They're fostering and accelerating the uptake and the growth of real estate technology. What this is doing ultimately is helping the owners and operators to accelerate the uptake and the adoption of technologies. It's helping companies like ours to grow faster. It's also helping all of these assets to digitize much faster, and it will ultimately have a significant impact on the planet. The emergence and the growth of RealTech comes at a crucial point for the real estate industry. Companies that are embracing and adopting technologies are setting themselves up as the market leaders for the future of real estate.